Hello everyone, I am Manish Sunwar from Everbrisk and I'll be your guide in this video. 9 things every programmer should know in 2020. Great developers or programmers are here. A good programmer can boost productivity of an organization. So what makes a good programmer? If you are having fair share of programming or into the field of coding, you would have tried to get better with latest technologies and trends. Of course, IT is a broad field, one which presents new challenges and concepts to learn daily. But simply learning coding is not a door of success for every programmer. Apart from coding, there are a lot more other things that every newbie or experienced programmer should be aware of. So let's start with 9 key skills every programmer and developer should know. 1. Data structures and algorithms. Getting familiar with the data structures and algorithms is the first step of becoming a good programmer. It is important that you get master on various data structures like array, linked list, set, map, etc. This would help you crack any possible job interviews. In case you are not aware about how to learn these fundamentals, you can join the Ideal IT Training Institute or you can learn from the free resources available in the internet. All you need is a will to learn and that's it. 2. Source control. Are you aware about version controlling? Do you know how you can store your written code? Well, these are the basics any programmer should be aware of. Source control is a way to store your written code, and to become a good programmer, you must know how you can manage the versioning of the code written, how you can perform branching of your code, margining different codes, and so on. You must be aware about using Git and SVN tools. 3. Text editors. Whether you are a programmer or not, text editors are one of the most essential and handy tools used in day-to-day operations. It is very important that you are aware about what all different text editors available in the market. If you are using Windows, Notepad can be a useful text editor. However, there are a lot of options available in the market like Notepad++, Sublime, etc. 4. IDEs. When you are talking about coding, IDE is one of the most basic tools you will require to write code effectively. Based on the programming language, you will find a variety of options. For example, if you are working on C, C++ or C#, you can use Visual Studio. If you are a Java programmer, you will have options like Eclipse, NetBeans, and so on. It is must that you are aware about the different IDEs available for the programming language you are learning. 5. Database and SQL. Database is the heart of any program you write. It is essential that you are aware about database concept and its use in programming. There are plenty of different databases available in the market, but it is not necessary you know all. If you are aware about only one of them, it is enough to survive as a programmer. It is important that you know how you can perform CRUD operations in SQL or SQL or in any other databases. Microsoft Excel. Well, not typically intended for the programmers, Excel is for everyone. Whether you are working as a programmer, manager, or database administrator, you should know the handy functions of Excel. If you are not aware about all the functions of Excel, at least you should know VLOOKUP, pivot, macro, and other features to reconcile data. 7. Programming languages. Learning programming languages is the best of becoming a good programmer. There are different programming languages available in the market. However, it is not essential that you master every available language. It is important that you make a right choice and try to master in any specific language. You can find online tutorials and resources or join live project training institute for the language you choose. 8. Networking basics. Being a programmer, you might be developing applications involving client-server interaction to perform various activities. It is important that you are aware about basic networking fundamentals like TCP/IP, network packets, Linux command and more. 9. Scripting languages. There is a thin line between programming language and scripting language. Not all programming languages are considered as scripting language or vice versa. Many scripting languages are used to design and develop front-end of the web applications. Hence, it is crucial that you are aware about at least a few scripting languages like PHP. So I think you have understood 9 things every programmer should know in 2020 to become a professional developer. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get notified when I upload the new videos. Thank you very much.